So in today's Facebook tutorial, we'll learn how to see all your yet to be accepted friend requests on Facebook. This means you'll see all those who haven't accepted your friend request yet. If you're excited, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the Friends icon at the top. Tap on See More. Tap on the three dots on the red circle. Select View Sent Requests. You'll be presented with all the friend requests you've sent that haven't been accepted. You may as well cancel them if you wish. Now, this is how to see all your sent friend requests on Facebook.